Today I'm going to be installing a Deadweight Industries Togue 500 lightweight lithium race battery into the E92 M3. I'll show you how to install it, it's very easy, and I'll also, more importantly, show you how to register the battery with the car's computer. Lightweight batteries, race batteries, have been around for a long time. There's a lot of companies that make them. The benefit I see to the deadweight battery is that A, it's incredibly affordable, and B, it's designed to replace the OEM battery, so there's no special connectors. You literally can just plug it in and you're away. With just this battery alone, you are probably going to be saving 17 to 20 plus kilos. Obviously I'll do a weight comparison a little later on when I get the stock battery out, but bang for buck, if you want to save weight on your car, especially when most batteries are up front and you want to kind of take weight off the front axle, this is one of the first things you should be looking at, I would say. Time for the weigh-in. Let's see what we've got. $26.2 kilos. 3.7. So just there, 22.5 kilos saved on what is a heavy car. So I will now install the deadweight. Okay, now that we've installed the battery into the car, we need to register the battery with the car. So I'm going to do that using Carly. And take your adapter, plug it into your ODB2, OBD2, I always get confused, port, which is in the footwell. Make sure your car's on, but it doesn't have to be running. Then go into your app, Carly. Connect it to the car, and we need 80 amp hour AGM battery for the Togue 500, the lithium battery. So scroll down to battery. Yes, I understand. Register new type battery. Read battery data. Okay, and then go to scroll down, so on 80 amp hour AGM. Anything less than 80 amp hour won't charge the battery apparently. So change type, this will now set it with the car, and I'll go back and go to register same battery, just read the battery data, and go and hit register battery. And that's it, you're now done. So you can just take your key out, and you're ready.